When you're in acute distress, your sympathetic nervous system is activated, triggering fight, flight, or freeze. Your heart races, your breathing quickens, and your mind feels scattered. But there are evidence-based techniques that can help you calm down quickly. So let us explore 5 ways to pull yourself out of a state of acute distress and back into a place of calm. Ground yourself in the present. The first 3 techniques are going to help you soothe your body and calm your mind so you can feel more grounded and present. And the last 2 will help you put things into perspective and take small actions to ease the overwhelming feeling of distress. So start by grounding yourself in the present moment. When you're in a state of distress, your mind might race to the future, imagining all sorts of worst-case scenarios, or you might dwell on past mistakes. Either way, your attention is pulled away from the present. So bring your focus back to where you are right now. A simple way to do this is to use the 5-4-3-2-1 technique. Name 5 things you see, 4 things you feel, 3 things you hear, 2 things you smell, and 1 thing you taste. If that's too much to think about, just name 3 things you see, 2 things you feel, and 1 thing you hear. This brings your awareness to the present moment and can help you feel more grounded. Another option is to focus on your breath. In 4-4, hold 4-4, out 4-4, hold 4-4. This pace is faster than normal breathing, but it helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the part of the nervous system that calms us down. Soothe your nervous system. Now that you've brought your awareness to the present moment, try to soothe your nervous system. One way to do this is to splash cold water on your face or hold an ice cube in your hand. This triggers the dive reflex, which slows your heart rate and breathing and can help you feel calmer. Another option is progressive muscle relaxation. When you're really tense, your muscles might be clenched and your jaw is tight. So start at your toes, tense the muscles and then release them. Move up to your calves, then your knees, and work your way up to your thighs, stomach, arms, hands, neck, and finally your face. As you move each body part, take a deep breath in when you tense the muscles and let the breath out when you relax. Distract your mind. It can also help to distract your mind from the distressing thoughts. One way to do this is to use a mental distraction. Count backward from 100 by a 7 south, or list all the countries you know or all the states or provinces you've lived in, or name every object in the room that is blue. You could also distract yourself by engaging your other senses. Take a deep breath in and try to identify the smells around you, or eat a piece of sour candy or chewy gum. You could also get a stress ball and squeeze it in your hand. Self-compassion and reassurance. The next 2 techniques are really important because they help you shift your mindset from feeling overwhelmed and help us to feeling more in control and capable. So try a mantra. Repeat something over and over again. This could be something like "this will pass," or "I am safe right now," "I am strong and I can handle this." You could also repeat a favorite quote that brings you comfort. And finally, validate your feelings. Acknowledge what you're feeling and remind yourself that it's okay to feel this way. Say to yourself, "It makes sense, I feel this way, given what happened or what I'm facing right now, and I can handle it." Short-term action steps. The final step is to take some short-term action steps. Remind yourself that even though you may feel overwhelmed right now, you are capable and you've handled difficult situations in the past. And you can get through this. One action step you can take is to move your body. Get up and walk, stretch, or shake out any tension. Another option is to call a supportive person. Sometimes just voicing what you're going through can make it feel less intense. When to seek help. If you've tried these techniques and the de-stress feels overwhelming, or you're re-having thoughts of harming yourself, hurting others, or running away, get help immediately. Reach out to a therapist, a crisis hotline such as 988 in the US, or a trusted person. Remember, you're not alone and help is available. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and share.